Konnichi, what's up? Today I am adding additional lesson 13 bunpo. What does bunpo mean? That's right, grammar. Okay, let's read this sentence again. うちから学校までどうやって行きますか? The highlighted word どうやって that is one of those interrogative words. How do you? Right? So you can actually use something similar like this. どうやって食べますか? Let's say there is some kind of a very intricate, complicated looking food in front of you. Oftentimes, Japanese food can be tricky and you didn't know, I don't know where to begin, how to eat. You can ask, どうやって食べますか? Let's say you have a kanji that you have in your mind that you don't know how to write. Then you would ask, すみません。漢字はどうやって書きますか? Certain kanji, that is. どうやって読みますか? If certain kanji you don't know how to read, then you would say, どうやって読みますか? すみません。So, どうやって is a very, very convenient and helpful and super, super useful interrogative words. Okay, what kind of transportation? There's another interrogative that I want you not to forget, which is どんな What kind? What type? どんな乗り物ですか? 乗り物, if you remember, 乗ります is to get in, ride in. So, verb stem 乗り with the mono. Transportation, yes, like taxi. Taxi, to get in, to get on, to ride is taxi に乗ります. Remember that particle? バス に乗ります. So don't forget that に goes with the to get in 乗ります. How about if you want to get off? タクシーを降ります. バスを降ります. So these are the 乗り物 that we went over. タクシー、電車. What was the subway? 地下鉄 and 飛行機. And also, of course, we Americans like to ride in our own 車. And 車 nowadays, they use it not just taxi, but Uber. Yeah, those share rides. So we need to know 車. So what particle goes with the 乗ります? That's right, に乗ります. What particle goes with 降ります? That is right. 降ります. Don't forget that. Now I am transitioning. So we learned the name of the transportation, different kind of public transportation. Now, where do you take or where can you get off those transportation is the key words that I'm listing. 空港, airport, 駅, train station or subway station. I will show you some of the pictures in class, the difference between the regular train, 電車の駅 versus 地下鉄の駅. Yeah, it's pretty clear. バス乗り場, that is like place that where you get on. Remember, 乗り場 is place to get in. That's the バス catching place. I don't know how to translate it into English. And then バス停 is the literally bus stop. All right. タクシー乗り場, same thing as バス乗り場. That's where you catch taxi or cab. Usually they're located right outside 駅. Yeah. Okay, now this is another important set of words. ここ、そこ、あそこ. We call these words こそど, including どこ. But for now, let's just remember ここ、そこ、あそこ. Like ここ means here. そこ means there. あそこ means over there. So this is like the distance from your closest is ここ. A little bit far away is そこ. Further away is あそこ. So just kind of remember ここ、そこ、あそこ. ここ、そこ、あそこ. All right. Let's add a few expressions here. Like from here. Remember, from is ここから. Okay? If you want to say until there or that point, そこまで. So if you want to say from here to there, ここからそこまで. Or if you want to say ここから駅まで. Replace そこ with train station. ここから空港まで. From here to the airport. You can replace the location thing, yeah, with any kind of a place that we learn. あそこ over there. Let's try to say from over there, that kind of a weird English, but that farthest point to here, how do you say it? あそこからここまで. あそこからここまで. That's kind of weird. But anyway, yeah, so just make sure that you know からまでここそこあそこ. That's what you need to write down. Pause the video and write this down. Now, ここから once again from here 空港まで to the airport. どうやって行きますか? Let's say you are trying to catch an airplane, right? To go to Japan. And you want to say, you just, no. You would not use 日本語 in other than Japan, country Japan. So you are in Japan. You're trying to go home. Okay. Then you go from here, maybe at a hotel, yeah, to the airport. How do I go? How do you go to the airport from here? So that's, yeah. Bus で行きます. Yeah, we'll take the bus. So this de is by the means, by the tool, like 電話で話します. If you were talking on the phone, you would say 電話 is a tool, and you're talking 電話で話します. But in this case, you're going by the public transportation of the bus. Okay, so that you need to write this down. The de usage is super important. Or let's say you're going to go on foot. 歩いて行きます. Okay, from here to the airport. I don't know how far away you are from the airport, but if you're in walking distance, go by all means. All right. Now, I want you to know the difference between this de and this de. So remember, de has the location of action particle. So in this case, like バス停でバスに乗ります. If I said バス停でバスに乗ります, you're riding into the bus at the bus stop. 空港で airport, at the airport, you get in the airplane. 電車駅で I'm sorry, I don't know how to move this thing. Unfortunately, I don't think I can move it. So 駅 it's been blocked by this little thing. 駅で電車に乗ります. All right? So that means at the train station, I get on the train. Let's fill in the blank. 家、学校、どうやって行きますか? How do you go from home to school? So that will be 家から学校までどうやって行きますか? 学校、I go by bus to school. 学校 until まで by the means of bus バスで行きます。You're going to Waikiki, but you don't know how. Waikiki till get to Waikiki までどうやって行きますか? By the means of taxi タクシーで行きます or Uber で行きます。At the hotel, you get on the taxi ホテルでタクシーに乗ります。I really cannot emphasize enough the difference between de and dead is here. Yeah, by the means of de, by the means of de, and at the location of action de. Okay, I am kind of putting a particle flashcard that you need to make. This is a ne, and I copy this thing because a lot of times the ne is in a computer font. It's so weird. Make sure you are actually, ne is just 2 strokes. 1, 2, the second stroke is super long. It's like a letter Z with the kind of a loop. Yeah. So this is at the end of the sentence, like um, like if you're trying to ask like すごいですね. That's like that's awesome, isn't it? Yeah. Versus yo, すごいですよ. It's I'm telling you. You are expressing your own opinion. So I will let you practice ne and the yo difference. Oftentimes we kind of get mixed up. So please make sure you understand that. Okay, では let's try to fill in the blanks. Pause the video and do this first, and I'm going to go over this. Go. I often read books at home. So this is a location of reading the book. So that is で。よく often 本を読みます。That is just the object pointing particle. 学校 until まで歩いていきます。What does that mean again? Yeah, you're going by walking on foot. アラモアナセンターまで You go by car. 空港まで空港でだ I'm sorry. At the 空港 You are taking a cab. Okay. So make sure study particle because you're going to get some online quiz. Quiz. All right. So I cannot emphasize enough. At the location of all these different transportation hubs, yeah, 駅 train station, 空港 airport, bus stop, タクシー乗り場 taxi catching place. You are getting into certain transportation or getting off. さよなら